The developer landscape is changing, and there are a lot of new tools and things that come at you as a developer. There are things like Git, npm, NodeJS, TypeScript, Gulp, Webpack. How do we take all these tools and apply them as a developer to be able to create our solutions? Or maybe you're just a system administrator. You need to understand these concepts because your organization is requiring, hey, you need to do some DevOps principles. You need to start being able to follow some of those developer tool chains and be able to follow some of those processes. How do you keep up with it? Well, in this workshop, we've got WRK301 happening at SharePoint Fest Chicago on December 3rd. In this workshop, we'll be covering and doing a lot of hands-on, giving you information, getting you started working with these. So that way you can get started. You can get your hands under and get an understanding of what these tools are and how you can take advantage of them in your environment. So I look forward to hopefully having you there.